In this video, we're going to be doing some problems from the Algebra 2 regions in from January 2002. We'll start with problem number 29. I'm going to try to zoom in on this a little bit, make it bigger so that you can see it better. Let's do a double magnification. There, that's a little bit better. Okay, so we're going to have to solve algebraically this radical equation. And a standard technique here is to try to get the radical all by itself. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by subtracting 4 from both sides. So we'll do that. Here the 4 minus 4 goes away, and I'm left with minus the square root of 2x minus 5, and on this side we're going to get negative 3. Now I notice I have a negative on both sides, so I can multiply both sides by negative 1, get rid of that negative. So my next step would be the square root of 2x minus 5 equals positive 3. And now again, a standard technique when dealing with radical equations is to square both sides. So we'll put parentheses around both, square both sides. Now we know that when we take the square of a square root, we get basically what's inside. So the left-hand side here becomes 2x minus 5 equals 9. And now we have basically a simple little linear equation. So what we're going to do is we're going to add 5 to both sides. That gets us down to 2x equals 14. And if 2x equals 14, then clearly x has to equal 7. Now, that's our answer, but just to be sure, we should go back now and check, make sure that the 7 actually works. So let's go over here, and we're going to substitute 4x as 7 minus 5 equals 1. All right, so now we know that 2 times 7 is 14. Okay, so we have 14 minus 5 now under the radical. And 14 minus 5, of course, that's 9 equals 1. I think you can see where this is going. So the square root of 9, of course, is 3. And 4 minus 3 is 1, and that checks. So very good. Nicely done. All points earned.